Hey crafters, welcome to the Graphic 45 office. I'm excited to show you our Volume 6 monthly kits. To start off, I'm going to show you our Club G45 kits. These projects have been created for us by the wonderful and talented Maria Cole. This month, we are going to be making a fun and fabulous Farmhouse folio. So you can see it just opens up here on the side, and then there's a lot of fun going on inside. So to start with, we've got this diagonal pocket with some DIY tags. We've got this great space here for a nice focal point photo. And then look at these cute little pullouts. These are just cut aparts from the collection pack that we'll be using in this kit. So you could stuff in extra photos, sentiments on those as well. And then once we open this up, you will see that we're creating a fun notebook holder. So this notebook holder is holding our three craft notebooks that you're going to be getting in your kit as well. So the craft notebooks are already put together. All we're going to do is decorate some fun stuff on the front, and then they'll be ready to use. There's an three different styles in there for you: an ivory, a watercolor paper, a grid, and then a lined notebook. So something for every project that you've got in mind. And I also love that there's some extra space here in this notebook holder for pens or pencils, and then also some extra collectibles from whatever you're documenting in this folio. And then over here on this side, we've got two cute little stacked accordion fold minis that are going to be great for more photos. And then flip this cutie open, and you'll see that we have some more interactive fun with more spaces to document. So this folio is going to be a lot of fun to create, and we're just going to be using our Graphic 45 craft chipboard sheets to make this, along with our Farmhouse 12x12 collection pack, the craft notebooks, and our new Graphic 45 black rose bouquets. And then to show you what you can do with the leftovers after you're done with this folio, we're going to show you how to create this chic and fun layout using the leftovers. So the layout's a great tutorial as well, because you could use it with create this layout with almost any Graphic 45 papers that you've got left over in your stash. So to find both of these video tutorials, if you just click down in the description in the link, you'll be able to find the links for both the folio and the layout tutorial. And then for the project sheet for both of these projects, and to subscribe or pick up one of our kits, you can hop on over to our website, G45papers.com, and you can even find your local G45 retailer on our website using that store locator. And then for our second club this month, we have our G45 card club. Every month, the amazing Ginger Ropp from My Sister Scrapper creates our cards, and she never disappoints. So this month we're learning a new technique, the gate swing, or the swing gate card tutorial. And so you can see it's full of interactive fun where you open up this flap, and then we still have a third flap to open, which leaves you lots of space for adding in your own personal details. So in the video tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to make 3 of these, and then I'll show you 3 more examples that you can create using the other pieces left over in your card kit. So you can make a total of 6 card kits, or cards rather. And we'll be using our Farmhouse 8x8 paper pad, the Farmhouse die cut assortments, which you get 48 pieces in there, as well as our Graphic 45 stamped metal brads. So to follow along with this tutorial, you'll be able to find that in the description below as well, and then pick up that kit on our website, G45papers.com. And so go ahead, grab your supplies, and let's start creating some magic.